Every teacher in my school and every AI tutor does the same thing. You ask and they answer. But AIONIS Maieutics does the opposite. AIONIS Maieutics is a tutor that never gives you the answer. And every time you have a good answer and you are reconstructing the concept correctly in your mind, the graphs will light up. Let's try out, for example, game theory. Why can adding a road make everyone's commute slower? It will start with a conversation, with a simple question. I will start to answer with my own mind, not with the memorizing. And every time you get to know a concept of this bigger graph, the graph will light up and you will keep going and rebuilding nodes. I will keep developing the nodes until I get to the final node. You can also toggle and move the graph. I'm close to finishing. Let's do the final node. Finally, I have reconstructed a concept entirely from questions. The tutor never gave me the answer, instead, it asked me to think and construct this concept by myself. I will keep learning other concepts behind the cameras. Thank you.